welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn on how you can insert a caption for a table or a figure in Microsoft Word. Afterwards, we are going to learn on how you are supposed to insert these figures and tables in the preliminary section of your document, because they are very important also when it comes to writing a professional document that can be presented to your audience. So I'm going to, because in the document that I have, we don't have figures, we don't have tables. So I'm going to generate imaginary tables and figures so that we can play around. So I'm going to insert a table. I'm not going to type anything. So I want to insert the caption. So I go to reference, insert a caption, and then it's not a table. So I'm going to change, it's not a figure, I'm going to change it to be a table, and I'm going to call it the ages of the respondent. Then you click OK. I can have another table, imaginary tables. We have said that we're going to use imaginary. So I want to insert a caption. I go to reference, insert a caption, and then this one I'm going to call it income of the people, and click OK. So we are going to use these two tables. So let's go to the figures. So I'm going to insert a picture. So from my device, let me see if I have a picture. So I will crop because it's large photo which is occupying a document. So I can reduce it to be small. Insert a caption. So I will insert, so here it's not a table, instead it's a figure. So fire extinguisher. Just click OK. I don't want to add another figure. So we are done with inserting the caption in terms of table and figures. So we are going to now insert table of figures and in the preliminary section of our document. Let's assume that the preliminary section of our document is here. So you click, you put the cursor there, and then you go to reference, and then we insert. So we are going to start with figures, and then we are going to have this format, so you can change it to be this. So let's see if we do this, what will happen. So you're given, because we had one figure, you're given that. So let's go and insert also the table of the tables. Instead of figures, we're going to change here to be a table. And then for the table, let's leave it as a dotted, and then we click OK. So we had two tables, the table 1, the age of the respondent, table 2, the income of the people. So all of them are there. So these ones helped you to generate that preliminary section of your document, and if someone wants to look at a certain table, they can go there and find it in which page. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.